Hey, what's up? It's Crystal. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing something sparkly, something with mirrors, and it is a super easy, cheap DIY, and it is a dupe of a Lazy Susan that cost way too much money at Gallerie, and I also actually found a cheaper version, but it looked cheaper, which spiked my interest to try to make one myself. At Marshall's during the holiday season, and I didn't want to get it then. I was in a rush, and then I couldn't find it anymore, so I was like, let me make my own. But actually, the crystals on it were not even glass, and they just looked way cheap. So this is a dupe of the Gallerie Lazy Susan. I'm so excited to show you guys. You can use it for your kitchens, you can use it for your vanity, your makeup display. I'm personally going to be using this probably for pictures I need to take because I started a new business. That's also why I've been gone. I started a new business of Bling stuff out. So that is a whole nother video. We'll get into that in another video, but today we are doing this Lazy Susan. Let's get into the DIY. So I picked up the 10-inch decorative mirror, and I picked up this from Amazon. This is the second one I bought. This one seems to be moving a lot more freely. The other one was really stiff and didn't slide as easily as I wanted it to. And now I am spraying alcohol to clean and prep the area. And then I'm just going to wipe that down until it's all dry and all the stuff and grime is off of it. And I also got these on Amazon. They are flat back metal and glass crystals. They are so pretty. These are by far like the nicest ones I have found on Amazon. And I don't know if you could tell, but there's those little clasps and they kind of like rattle and make noise because they're not fully sitting in there correctly. So you have to kind of push them in. They are super cheap and beautiful, but to get them to securely fit, I just kind of fold that on there. You can use a tweezer back like I am. And then that way it just won't make a noise and you won't have any chance of it snagging on anything. So, I am definitely trying to figure out if I like it horizontal or vertical better. I even did a poll on Instagram and that was tied, so I tried this out. This is the vertical one, but I don't like the spaces in between and it'll be impossible to get them all exactly the same. So I feel like this was a little bit better option where I can push them close together and have a much more uniform look. And here we go, taking my E6000 glue and applying it to the back of that metal. And just setting it down. It is that easy. Well, they do slide around a little bit, but then you can finagle and make them go where you want them to. But I'm loving how it looks so far. And see, that's not too much that it's going to squish out the side, but just enough that it will definitely coat the whole entire bottom of the gem. So now, finishing touches, we are going to be putting the E6000 all over this. It really doesn't matter which side you put it on. They both spin equally on each side. Now we are putting just a generous amount of E6000 on the spin plate. And then we will apply the mirror to it after. So I hope you guys like this easy, cheap DIY, and it looks fabulous and expensive. I am loving how this came out. It was super easy, and these are on there. They are like stuck really good and glued, and it is not gonna move anywhere. And I like that you can make this in any size you want. I wanted the little bit smaller one, but I'm loving it. So I've had a couple questions that I just wanted to address because it pertains to this. So when you glue stuff to glass with the E6000 or whatever, just like the handles on my storage bins over here, don't be impatient like me. You have to let the things cure. So when I do any sparkling, rhinestoning, or any of those special projects, so the first 24 hours of E6000, it'll be like, you can still kind of finagle it. It will move a little bit. And it'll be a little stringy, like string cheese-ish and rubbery, but after like 48 hours it'll fully cure and it will not move anywhere, like impossible to get apart. So don't be impatient and let glue cure properly for at least 2 days, 3 days to be very sure. If you want a super strong hold, don't try to finagle or mess with anything until it is fully cured. But like I said, if you need to fix something or take something off, or something is not working how you want it to, then you probably have like 24 hours to like finagle and fix or rip off. So just a little tip on that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, help the algorithm out, and help my channel out, and comment. I love to hear from you guys. You guys are awesome. Thanks for all your support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!